सेल चल रहा था इसलिए हिनांशी has shopped a lot. What's up you guys? I hope you all are safe and fine. This is Hinanshi and welcome back to my channel. Ta-da-da-da-da. So guys, firstly if you all are wondering Hinanshi ने प्यारा सा t-shirt कहाँ से लाया है, so you all can go check out my Urbanic shopping haul because that's where I got this t-shirt from. So you all can see that video. Apart from that, today's video is something that I'm sure you all are gonna love it because any guesses? Anyways, so today's video is about a huge Zara shopping haul क्योंकि अभी सेल चल रहा था इसलिए Hinanshi has shopped a lot and that's why I want to share all the things that I've got from Zara because you all need to know that because the sale is amazing. So yeah, without wasting any much time, let's get started. Also guys, if you all haven't seen the H&M shopping haul till now, please go check it out because that's something that you all should know because I've shared a personal incident of what has happened in H&M with me. And I hope that it doesn't happen with y'all. So you all should definitely go check it out. So the very first thing that I got from Zara and I'm already in love with it because it's very trendy and I've already worn it once are these cute crop trendy warmers. So basically it's more like a winter wear but you can wear it anytime because these are very trending right now. The thing that I personally loved about this is it's a crop top. The design is different. It's not similar to the normal crop tops that we have been wearing since a long time. And also it's one of Zara's most trending t-shirt. It's known as the ribbed arm warmers and it's a really trending t-shirt. Especially Zara has a huge collection of this. It has different colors also and also the original price for this t-shirt is $9.90 but because the sale is going on I got it for $7.90 rupees and the fact that it was so trending I couldn't stop myself from buying it. Personally took a M size in this because I wanted it more loose and you know kind of feel free in it. So that's why I took a M but I think S would also have been perfect for me. The next thing that I've got from Zara is this cute V-neck pinafore dress which is apparently देख के पता चल जाता है कि ये Zara का है. So the original price for this dress is 2,990 but I got it for 1,990 rupees because well there's a discount going on. So I took a S size and it's a bit loose for me from the sleeves so I'm just going to get it altered and then it's going to be perfectly fine. But overall this look that I got from the dress is really pretty and amazing. I can just simply wear a white t-shirt या shirt अंदर पहन लिया तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. And the best part is that it has an elastic waist, so there's no problem when it comes to your waist size and all. It's pretty much comfortable and yeah, it's a cute dress, guys. I love it. The next thing that I've got is this cutout sweatshirt with a hoodie on it and guys the design is so cool. I mean the only reason I took it is because of the design. It's a different design. It's cut out. The color is really pretty. So the original price of this product was 2,790 but I got it for 1,790 because of the sale and online right now it's 1,190 rupees. So I had a loss but I don't want you all to do the same thing, so you all can buy it for just 1,190 online and I took a S size and it fits perfectly well. Obviously the look is a bit loose and all because it's a sweatshirt but overall it's perfect to me and I love it. And the material is thick so you're not gonna feel cold but definitely after wearing this amazing outfit you're gonna feel cool about yourself. The next thing that I got is this slogan white sweatshirt. It has a slogan written on it which says cool happens, style has no rules. So I really loved it. It's a thick material. The original price is 1,890 but I got it for 990 rupees because of the sale. Also I got a M size in this which makes it a bit more loose for myself. But I personally wanted a loose fit in this, hence I took a M size but an S would also fit perfectly well to me. The next thing I got is this ribbed arm warmers cute crop jacket basically kind of thing. It's a pink color. The original price is 790 rupees but I got it for 590 because of the sale and the size that I've got is a M. Well, I really loved its style and the design of the product and yeah, you can just pair it up with so many things like you wear a white plain t-shirt and a simple cute crop jacket would itself look so cute and really nice. So I personally find it really worth because it's for 590 only and you can style it up in a lot of different ways. So the next thing that I got is this tie-dye joggers. It also has a t-shirt of the same print in order to give it a two-piece set, but I did not take the t-shirt. मैंने सिर्फ पैंट लिया. I mean joggers लिए. The original price of the product is 2,500 rupees, but I got it for 1,790 at a sale, I mean at a discount. So I by mistakenly took a large size, so I have to go get it exchanged because it's kind of loose and I need a medium size in this. But apart from that, I personally love the colors and the material of the product, and yeah. The next thing that I got is this long white t-shirt which is for casual wear and like a loose fit. You can also wear it as a t-shirt dress with cycling shorts below this. So it has drive written on it in the front side and some heroes are real with a picture on it on the back side. Apparently the original price for the product is 1790, but I got it for 1190 because of the discount, and the size that I've got is a medium. Well, S would have fit perfectly well, but I wanted it more loose, so I got a medium size in this. So the next thing that I've got for a friend of mine is this cute satin finished bomber jacket which looks really cool. The original price of this is 3000, but I got it for 2000. The size I took is XS because my friend is too patla. So I really loved it because the color and the material is also very nice, and I'm sure it would fit her perfectly well. I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and stay tuned for more videos because they're going to be coming up soon. And yeah, take care. Bye.